Statistics show that college students spend more than $11 billion a year on snacks and beverages.
Studies have shown that most college students order food between the hours of 10 p.m. and 2
On
a.m.
average, I think I spend about $100 a month on food alone. One of the problems I have is that I'm always up late, whether it's studying, whether it's I just can't sleep, but I'm always hungry. And so the caf closes around 9, which means the only food that I'm able to have access to is the food that I buy. And so I have to spend money on this. Now me, I prefer to spend $0, but that's not how life works. Also, sometimes it's late and I can't go to the C-store because the C-store closes at 10. So then I'm either stuck with limited options. McDonald's, the Snack Girls, or I gotta go on Postmates or Grubhub because I don't have a car, but I gotta eat. So I find myself spending so much money on food. Y'all ain't gonna believe it just happened.
What?
I pay office rent. See, it's a really nice dorm. And I try to get in their kitchen. It's locked. We can't use their kitchen.
Girl, you know it's a staff kitchen. They don't even know what is cooking up in here. We don't know what up in
to
there.
have it, but, you know, shower.
Thank God for the snack lady.
Welcome to 6077.
Hi.
Hi.
So I hear you sell snacks.
Yeah.
Can you tell me some of the snacks that you have?
Peanut M&Ms, ramen noodles, Capri Suns, Gatorade.
So why did you decide to start selling snacks?
Just another source of income. It's really easy. Everybody always stays hungry.
Do you mind if I evaluate this?
No, go ahead.
Oh, these look great.
What are you guys' prices?
For the most part, everything is $1 or less.
What else do you guys sell besides,
This.
mm-hmm.
Well, a variety of chocolates we sold out. Capri Suns sold out. Gatorade sold out. Yeah.
So how long are you, like what are your hours?
Basically until we get out of class, until we go to sleep.